We got a really nice lawnmower here, but it won't start. Not even a little bit. Goodness sakes. The arms are out. We don't need a seat switch. Parking brake's on. Oh, now we got sound. Parking brake wasn't up all the way. Listen to this. That's the solenoid that starts it. Problem is, when it's raining, I'll flip the seat up, keep the seat from getting full of water, because that little hole doesn't drain very well, and it usually gets clogged up anyway from all the tree shit. So I grabbed myself some old garden clippers, walk over here and do this. Not a dead battery. Well, mostly. Just wait, it'll go. Oh, come on. It's not that dead, it's just partially dead. I'm going to pause you for a minute while the compression seeped off. Okay, we're back. Apparently it's a timing issue where the battery is so dead, I got to time it between the compression stroke and it's flopping backwards and get it to where it'll just barely crank over. Oh, come on, I'm waiting. Oh, did I fry everything? No. Oh no! I should have just left it running. I got it started like a second ago. I should just let it run and screw you guys on YouTube. Hang on. Figured it out. I had to work the handles a few times to get some of the rust away. Let's try again. See nothing again. It'd be way better if I had something different. Oh, I know. I'll grab like a Dodge hammer. Hang on. Hey, I found something even better. I found my cheater pipe. Put this on the end of something when it won't go. See if it'll work. Oh, touch the contacts. Almost. Let's do this. Come on, honey. So we know where the problem was. It was going to rust it up. You can see the rusting. Super rusted up garden shears. But you grab a solid piece of metal that makes really good contact. You go ahead and jump that solenoid. Away you go.